Solar System, amazing journey of our Milky Way. The solar system is that part of our universe where our beloved Earth and the other planets revolving around it are located. It is a part of the Milky Way galaxy that provides us with crucial information about life and time. 1. Sun. The Sun is the largest star in the universe. It serves as a source of light and energy for us. The temperature on the surface of the Sun is approximately 5,500 degrees Celsius. The Sun completes its axial rotation in about 25.4 days. Its color is white or deep yellow. 2. Mercury. Mercury is one of the closest planets to the Sun. Its surface is extremely hot because it is very close to the Sun. It is a small planet, but its shiny surface is very volatile. 3. Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to Earth. Its atmosphere is filled with carbon dioxide, making it a hot and stormy planet. Its surface is covered with lava plains, and it has a hostile atmosphere unsuitable for life. 4. Earth. Our beloved Earth, where we reside. It is a unique planet where life has evolved. It has diverse environments, water bodies, and atmospheres, making it distinct from other planets. 5. Mars. Mars, also known as the red planet, is a barren planet filled with dust and a thin atmosphere. Its surface is covered with dust storms, and several space exploration missions are ongoing. 6. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, with a dense gas structure. It has several smaller moons and satellites orbiting around it, such as Ganymede, Europa, and Io. 7. Saturn. Saturn, famous for its colorful rings, is a large planet with a massive gaseous atmosphere. Its surface features beautiful rings, making it unique. 8. Uranus and Neptune. These are icy planets located in the outer regions of the solar system. Their icy surfaces and atmospheric proportions make them unique. 9. Pluto. Pluto is surrounded by the Kuiper belt, a vast remnant of smaller planets and satellites. Pluto is now considered a dwarf planet, not included among the major or significant planets. When a large comet collides with our Earth, it will be a unique and mysterious event. Is this a sign for us? Does it hold the secret of our future? It is our responsibility to ponder over it in the coming times. In the next part of the video, we will delve deeper into this mystery. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Ahan Learning Institute, to stay connected and unravel this mystery with us.